Fufu. A main dish from Côte d'Ivoire. Serves 4. You will need 3 ingredients. Step 1. Boil cassava until they're cooked. Step 2. Boil plantains until they are cooked. Step 3. Pound cassava and then add a sprinkling of water to keep it from sticking and to make it the right consistency. Step 4. Pound the plantains, no water is neccesary. Step 5. Pound the two together, adding water as with the cassava alone. Half teaspoon of salt can be added during the process. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.